terms of the silly point, might be a bit of...
Oh, never mind the ashes. What's going on with you two silly birds? Hey? Something's got them rattled. Yeah. Anyway, this is how we pack our camper. This is how the English Pennliner packs. As you can see, we've got a nice sunroof there. And we can happily pack away all our gear while it's down. And as you can see, there's quite a bit in here at the moment. The dog's blankets are there, all the cooking equipment, some crisps. I'm busy Bernadette at the moment.
Where did you get that ball from?
I'm just showing everybody how we pack the English Pennliner. And there's still plenty of room to go. As you can see, we actually give it a polish as well today. Here we go. Silly Billy birds. What are you up to? They didn't help me polish. And you can find us on YouTube as well. Alfie, Kira. My gosh. Oh, they found the ball. So that's how we manage our camper. This is how we do an A-frame in England. Whilst the ashes are on as well.
Yeah, next week. Okay.